What's up, people? Today we are going to talk about this penny stock. Check. The stock moved up today by 215% and it continues to grow even off hours. So, what exactly happened that made this stock grow today? The latest news we have of the stock is from December 31st, where it was given a 180-day extension to regain NASDAQ exchange compliance. Here, if you see this, the notice is from December 2020, and here they said that they have been given extension of 180 days, that is until June 28, 2021. So, is it a good time to invest in the stock? Let's check it out. What is Check? Check is a company that creates a screening device for colorectal cancer, and the goal is to stop cancer basically. So, what happens here is the patient takes the capsule, it passes through their body normally. While doing so, it scans the walls of the gastrointestinal tract and relays the information to the tracking system worn on the person's back. This data is then sent to the physicians and can be used to create 2D and 3D maps of the person's inner surface of the colon. Okay, that sounds very interesting. Now let's see what Yahoo Finance has to say about this stock. One of the good things about CheckCap is that it doesn't have any debt. As of 2020 September, the cash was 21 million and it had roughly 19 months of cash runway. Over the last year, its cash burn actually increased by 7%, which suggests that the management are increasing investment in future growth, but not too quickly. They are taking action sensibly. They are not just rushing in. That is very good thing for me. Check Cap's 13 million in cash burn equates to 62% of its market value. Given how large that cash burn is relative to the market value of the company, we would consider it to be a high risk stock with the real possibility of extreme dilution. So this is what Yahoo Finance has to say about it. Let's go into a little bit of detail and see for the last 1 year how's the growth been. April 2020, the stock went down, and from there it's been very volatile. It's been very volatile, as you can see here, and finally today it went up today by around 225%. Market performance: Check underperformed the US medical equipment industry, which returned 22.1% over the past year. Check underperformed the US market, which returned 21.3% over the past year. Check is good value based on its PB ratio compared to the US medical equipment industry. Check is forecast to remain unprofitable over the next 3 years. So, if you are investing it for a long term, then there is a possibility that the company might be diluted. Check is unprofitable and losses have increased over the past 5 years. So, as I have mentioned earlier, Check has sufficient cash runway for more than a year based on its current free cash flow. Let's take a look at the management. The CEO, Alex, has been there for around 3 years, and the management is experienced. That is 5.8 years average tenure they have. And the compensation given to Alex is about the average for companies of similar size, and it has been consistent with the company's performance over the past year. There's no insider information here, shares sold, shares bought by the insiders. I couldn't find that information. If you find it somewhere, please do comment. So I hope this information has been useful to you guys. If you find any other information, please let me know. Looking at this, I don't think it's a long-term investment for me. What do you guys feel? Please do comment.